guys, Wags with Ironman 4x4, and I wanted to take a minute and introduce you to our new rooftop tent. This is the Nomad 1300. It's an ABS plastic top, clamshell, side open rooftop tent. First off, my favorite feature, this plastic top is super sleek. It's got some aero channels in it, so when it's all packed down and you're driving on the highway, the thing just cuts right through the air. If you've got a small SUV or a crossover, this is the one you want to go with. It's got really big windows in it. It's got a sunroof, or I guess moonroof, depends on what time of day you want to use it. But I love that you can roll it back, look at the stars. It's also great for ventilation. Comes with boot bags, comes with telescopic ladder. The mattress is really comfortable. You can pull the whole thing out, take the liner off, throw it in the washing machine, get it all cleaned up. This thing sets up and packs down super quick. I think it took me like 3 minutes. It's a couple straps, you pop the thing up, you get your window rods installed, and you're good to go. I love this tent. I think you will too. If you got questions or want to pick one of these up, go to Ironman4x4America.com and check it out.